So see the code there, guys. P0172 System 2 Lean Bank 1. Okay. So a bunch of things can cause that code, guys. You know what I mean? Can cause from fuel pressure regulator, dirty air filter, faulty injectors, a bunch of stuff. You know what I mean? And we can be leaking, have a like the air filter hosing can be leaking. You know what I mean? Cause that could mean like too much gas is going down in the cylinders and less air. You know what I mean? So we're gonna have to check and see if we have any vacuum leaks or anything like that. Cause that can cause like for the engine not to get as much air in that cylinder 1, bank 1. Okay, and it can be mass airflow sensor, O2 sensors. All of those things can cause this check light. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm gonna smoke the engine first thing and make sure we don't have any vacuum leaks. Like I said, I have this problem for a while now where the RPM is bouncing and stuff, so let's go ahead and start the car and let you guys see what I'm talking about with the RPMs. Okay, guys, so I've been sitting for a few minutes and I haven't seen it's bouncing or nothing, so I'm gonna put it in drive and see if it's gonna do anything different. It's in drive, you see it? RPM is moving now. Let's put it in reverse. You don't want to bounce like what I'm talking about. Normally it's bounce heavier than that. Drive. See it? But normally it's bounce harder than that, guys, okay? So anyway, we're not gonna worry about that right now. Let's see what is the problem with the check light. That's what we're gonna work on. So we're gonna smoke the engine first thing. Okay, guys, so before we go ahead and smoke the engine, we're gonna need to remove this gearbox from here. So there is 2 10 bolts on the corner right here. I already removed them. Take those out and plug the mass airflow sensor from right here. Alright, then this clamp right here, you're gonna remove that clamp from there. Hose clamp. And just use a flathead screwdriver and move that, and then you can just take this out. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Okay, guys, so now I have my smoke machine hooked up right here. I just hook it up right here to this airbox hose right here, because we want to see if we have any leaks going on and stuff like that. So we're gonna pump some air in it, smoke. We're gonna pump some smoke in there and smoke the engine and see if we have any vacuum leaks going on. Okay, so I have this hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. It's gonna be making So okay, guys, I detect we have some leaks going on back down in here. You know, we have a vacuum leak going on down there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all of this so we can get more space to try to see where the smoke is coming from. So I'm just gonna remove all this right here. Okay. Okay, guys, so after I remove the covering from up here, cabin air filter and all that, now we're gonna go ahead and pump some more smoke in there and see if we can really see where this leak is going on. Sorry about the noise in the background, them doing some work on the road, so they have a machine running out there, you know what I mean? sorry about that. So let's go ahead and pump some more smoke and see if we can see where this is coming from. Okay guys, so I think I found the problem. It's the vent valve aisle separator. You know what I mean? It's way back here. This hose connect to it also, and it connect to the valve cover right here. You know what I mean? It's all the way inside here, so we have to remove the manifold to replace that. So I just ordered it off Amazon, and I'm gonna get it in 3 days time. So when I get it, I will just create another video showing you guys how to remove the manifold.